Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion deals with the reaction of a body when a force acts on it. Let two objects, Object 1 and Object 2. Object 1 exerts force on Object 2 and Object 2 exerts force on Object 1. The force exerted by Object 1 is called action and force exerted by Object 2 is called reaction. Newton's third law of motion can be stated as, to every action there is always an equal but opposite reaction. According to this, action is always associated with a reaction force and the two forces must always be equal and opposite. Consider a book lying on a table as shown in figure. The weight of the book is acting on the table in the downward direction. This is the action, represented by blue arrow. The reaction of the table acts on the book in the upward, represented by red arrow. Consider another example. Take an air-filled balloon as shown in figure. When the balloon is set free, the air inside it rushes out and the balloon moves forward. In this example, the action is by the balloon that pushes the air out of it when set free. The reaction of the air which escapes out from the balloon acts on the balloon. A rocket such as shown in figure moves on the same principle. When its fuel burns, hot gases escape out from its tail with a very high speed. The reaction of these gases on the rocket causes it to move opposite to the gases rushing out of its tail.